What is up, guys? Mauni here from Mauda's Gaming, back again with another tech video for you guys. I'm revisiting the Samsung Galaxy S2 CM13 mod. I can go ahead and show you on my friend's tablet here where to get access to the mod. Not mod, but ROM. I'll show you that here in just a second. I found the ROM on XDA Developers. It's very Alright, so we're going to go through here. So basically, just go on to XDA Developers and look up Galaxy S2 T-Mobile. Click on the T-Mobile Galaxy S2 / the SGH T989. The ROM is should be up here, somewhere down here. Here we go. Scroll to the section where it says T-Mobile Samsung Galaxy S2 Android development. The ROM that I am currently using is this one, I believe. Let me check real quick. Alright, so this is the ROM that I'm using. These are all the instructions. I will put the link in the description below, but this is the link right here. If you happen to have a T-Mobile Galaxy S2, this works better if you root it. Obviously, you have to root it first. I'll also provide links to the root method in the description below. Make sure you upgrade it to Android 4.1 Jelly Bean with keys. That's KIES. You can download it from Samsung's website. Update it through that, then root the device. I'll provide the root method in the description below. And then you'll have to follow the instructions here. You have to strictly follow all these instructions, and you should be good to go. Now, there are other ROMs you can choose from. Paranoid Android, which is a very popular Android custom ROM. So I'll make a tutorial video actually showing you guys how to flash a custom ROM onto the Galaxy S2. Some of the features that weren't working before are working now. And I just want to go ahead and give you a quick review on what my experience with this device has been since the last time I recorded a video on it. Alrighty guys, so as I was saying, sorry for that little cut there, I had to shut off the phone. This is the motherboard from the old S2. You've got battery connector there, SIM card slot here, SD card slot there, flash, charging port, some antenna cables. This is where the camera connects to. Microphone there, microphone there. That's pretty much it. You got some other chips back there. Had to swap things out. Oh my god, I almost knocked over the camera. Alright, so let me just go ahead and show some of the things that were working before and that weren't working before and are working now, and I'll compare it to official CM13 on this bad boy. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a tutorial. I think I mentioned this before. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to flash custom ROMs onto your Android device. It's pretty straightforward, but I'm going to show you with this phone. So one thing that wasn't working before was Trusted Face. I would launch Trusted Face and it would tell me that it's not working. So we're going to set the phone down and we're going to lock it. We're going to wait for a little while and then we're going to wake it up. Alright, it didn't work. But basically, now Trusted Face works. I can actually kind of show you guys how that works. If I go into Smart Lock, enter my device password. Wait for Smart Lock to load up. Let's go ahead and... So, Trusted Face. Trusted Face appears to be working, and it does work. You hit next. It can actually pick up my face pretty well behind the camera. Hey guys. It's telling me to show my face. This is really awkward. Okay, there we go. It picked it up. So, hit done. If I lock it and then set it down. Now let's go ahead and go over to the tablet here. As you can see, it works just fine. It works a little faster here. But this is official CM13. In case you're wondering what build I have, this is CyanogenMod 13.0. This is the 8.11 version. Now I've got all these updates over here that I need to do, but this is the 8.11 version. This is Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. The reason why you saw the N logo was because I've got an exposed module that has that kind of brings some of Android N's features. Not really great at that, but that's the build number right there. It's running the August Android security patch. I believe this is running the well, the August security patch is the only one that's out there. Oh crap, I forgot to show you guys. The thing was working. Let me go ahead and lock it, put it down. And I can show you some stuff on here as well that is that's not on. I can show you some custom stuff that's on here that isn't on here. So if we go under display and lights, you'll notice down here, this is the last option. Now on, let me turn that back on. Now on this device here with the custom CM13 mod, ROM, I keep saying mod, I don't know why. There's an option to use these lights down here as notification lights. So I can go ahead and show you that right now. It works. Go ahead and send myself a message. And in just a second here, my phone should vibrate and show the notification. One second, guys. It's taking a little while for some reason. My phone's like connected and everything, so I don't know why it's not working. But anyway, I can show you Trusted Face for right now. Go ahead and tap on the screen. As you can see, there's the Trusted Face icon, and it worked flawlessly. I can show you the notification light feature. Let's go ahead and lock the phone, send myself another message. See, it vibrated, and then you've got the notification lights right here. So as you can see, it uses the soft keys as notification lights, and that's actually a pretty cool feature. What else wasn't working? I'm trying to think of, kind of what else wasn't really working. Now the camera situation is still a problem. Basically, to fix that, you need to download a newer version of the Google Camera APK. You need to download a newer version of Google Camera. Just download the APK, uninstall the version that you installed with the phone, run the new version, uninstall the new version, and reinstall the old version. You might have to do it a couple times to get it to work perfectly, but it should work. Now, I can show you guys the notification option. It's under display and lights. Right here, you see notification light, and then I go ahead and turn that on. Now, let's talk about battery life since the last time I used this. Battery life hasn't really been better, but it hasn't necessarily been worse. If we go under battery here, it says 63%, approximately 3 hours left. It's not really very accurate, and I find that the battery really sucks. It's horrible. There's it's just, it's really bad. It's really, really bad. Now, I would expect that you're not using a 4-year-old phone as your daily driver, but if you are, I would definitely recommend rooting the phone and changing your CPU governor. You can look up stuff on that. Don't really want to go into it right now. But you can look up stuff on that and change that so you get better battery life. Those battery saving apps that claim to provide much better battery life, they don't work. They don't work at all. You can buy extra batteries that can improve battery life if you buy a higher capacity battery. So this is running Android 6.0.1. It is running the this is the version of CM that it's running. It's running a slightly newer version than the tablet actually, because this is running 8.11. Where is it? This is running 8.11 and this is running 8.12. They both have the August 5th Android security patch, however, and they both have the same Cyanogen API level. So, just as, you know, a summarized, sorry for shaking the camera, just to summarize this device, it works, and it provides a pretty pleasant experience. As a music player, you can use it as a music player, something to just listen to music with. I would not recommend taking this device out into the public and actually using it, because you will be very disappointed. The battery life is terrible. Standby is okay, but like usage time is terrible. Usage time is terrible. It's very unresponsive. Sometimes apps will crash and the phone will freeze up and you'll have to restart the whole phone just to get things working again. It's not a very stable device, and you're probably thinking, oh, maybe the ROM you flashed is not a stable ROM. This is one of the most stable ROMs that I've ever tested, besides official CM13. This is one of the most stable ROMs I've ever tested. It's very, very stable. It works very, very well. The problem is the phone. The hardware is so old that even all the software optimizations that have been made to run Android 6.0 on this device, even with all those optimizations, it is still very, very horrible. Now, I'm not saying that this is a bad phone by any means at all. It's actually not a horrible phone. You can use it to play some simple games like Subway Surfers. Pokemon Go does not run on it, by the way, just letting you know. Don't even try it. It'll just crash your whole phone, and you'll have to reboot it to get the phone to work again. Pokemon Go does not work, but other games like, you know, Subway Surfers, Real Racing 3, Stickman Basketball, Temple Run, Candy Crush, if you're into that. Does that kind of die? I don't really play Candy Crush. What else is there that you can play? Stack, you know, games like that. It runs them perfectly. But you will be disappointed if you try to run FIFA 16 or what's another, Asphalt 8. Real Racing 3 does not run all that well. NBA Live, games like that, horrible. Snapchat, horrible. I actually was using it just to test out how well it would work on this device. It's horrible. It crashes. It's very unstable. So definitely, there are definitely better devices than this, and if you have the money to buy a bunch of accessories for it just to get it to work, I would recommend just buying another phone. I wouldn't recommend using this phone for daily use. If you want to, you can, but it's not going to be very stable. Very few people have this phone anyways. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. It's going to be a lot shorter because I just wanted to show you guys that this phone has kind of changed a little bit. There are some things that actually work now. if I forgot something or you guys want me to mention something else, make sure to drop it in the comment section below and subscribe for more content like this. I will also be uploading a video on how to flash Paranoid Android on this. I'm actually going to try that out. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.